Alright guys, here we go. Premium Pack Football. Stay tuned. A lot more breaks coming up, guys. 5 times for the 5 times. Let's get it on. Let's get it on. Let's get it on. Once, twice, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times. Number 21. Twenty-one. Alright, let's see. Let's see. Justin, I don't think I did. Did you send it today? 21. Do something. Oh, 11. I wasn't even close. 20. 21. I wasn't even close. Dude's an animal. Animal. Adrian, Tom, Daisy, Kyle, Nick, Justin, Adrian, Kevin. Let's get it on. Good luck to you. You did? Okay. Yeah, Hallback was amazing. I don't think I did. I didn't take anything off today. 2, 3, 4, 5. You know why, Nick or Justin? It didn't come through yet. Kevin on top, Kyle on the bottom. It's been taking an extra day on those. Kevin, AFC North. Tom, AFC South. Justin, AFC East. Adrian, AFC West. NFC North. Daisy, NFC South. Nick, NFC East. Kyle, NFC West. I will double check though for you. Let me see. Nope. No, I did get it. At 9:13. All good, Justin. My bad. I didn't take that off. I know, man. Dude, high stick to the face, comes back. OT. The Hughes brothers. Yeah, them and the Kachuk brothers. Hockey, man. It's all about the youth, getting the youth camp going. Nick, you sent it too? Okay. Let me see. Venmo's been acting weird. Nick, I think I took off for you, didn't I? Oh no, I didn't take that off. There's plus 50. You sent it twice? Yeah, I didn't get. You're right. I didn't get the second time. Venmo picks and chooses, just like Facebook picks and chooses. When I get notifications. Like if you guys are in a Facebook group, I don't ever get notifications anymore. I don't know why. Oh, I gotta keep that for the man cave, man. That's remember it's inscribed too. Yeah, I gotta keep that. All right, 21 out of 75. Here we go, sealed up. 21 out of 75. Ooh, that's a big one. That is a Bo Nix PSA 8. I know it's a PSA 8, but that is a color match at a 249 of a Bo Nix. This 24 Prism boxes are pricey. That is a big hit right there. Bo Nix orange PSA 8. That is a very nice card. That's a big pull there. That card was doing almost 300, north of 300 during the when they were supposed to go to the Soupy. That's a good hold there. Whoever hit this, AFC West. That is a good hold card. Yeah, that's one of the top chasers. One of the tops. Adrian, there you go. That's why you get in the premium packs. Orange on orange on orange. That's why we do it. Adrian. Heaters on heaters on heaters. That was number 6. Very nice. Bo Nix. Color match orange. Going to Adrian. Oop. 5 times here. Free spot in the bonus breaky poo. Comic books up next, guys. Stay tuned. Stay tuned. Once, twice, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times. Kevin O. Free spot for you. Number 6. Premium packs. Nothing but gas. No brakes. No brakes. Alright, appreciate everyone getting in. We have another one working. Up next is the comic books. So we'll get that next. Alright guys, appreciate it. Thank you.